Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone supports face recognition and that the OS is up to date. This matters because sensors and encryption rely on current firmware. Once done, make sure your device has a secure backup lock like a PIN or password. Many phones require this before adding biometrics. Now open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and tap Face Recognition or Face Unlock to begin the guided enrollment flow. Follow prompts and allow any required camera permissions. You position the phone at eye level about 20 to 50 centimeters away, steadying your hands or using a stand so the sensor can focus. Good framing speeds enrollment. Then adjust lighting so your face is evenly lit. Avoid heavy backlight or extreme shadows, because the algorithm needs consistent features across images. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to slowly turn your head or nod, capturing multiple angles. This builds a robust face model that reduces false rejections and improves security over time. You finish by saving the enrollment and immediately testing, unlock in varied lighting and angles to verify reliability. This confirms the model works day to day. Make sure fallback methods like PIN or password are enabled and specify which apps may use facial authentication if your phone offers app-level controls. If recognition fails often, try re-enrolling with cleaner lens and consistent lighting or reinstall updates. If problems persist, clear biometric data and repeat the enrollment to rebuild the face template.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.